Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see how to whiten teeth with ginger and salt. For more information, please click the links in the description. To have a bright smile, it is important to maintain the whiteness of the teeth. Unfortunately, recent methods and whiteness kits can be aggressive for dental enamel in addition to being expensive. It is for this reason that there is nothing better than a grandmother's recipe for white and healthy teeth. The whiteness of the teeth refers not only to a concern for aesthetics but also to good oral health. However, it is rarely at the center of the regular care that we apply. In order to prevent the yellowing of the teeth from being irreversible, it is important to use certain ingredients that help you maintain their whiteness. This recipe made of lemon juice, salt, and ginger, natural and without chemicals, will whiten your teeth. This is an easy-to-prepare recipe that can be a real ally for your dental care. To take advantage of its many virtues, start by grinding ginger with a grater and then place it in a bowl. Add lemon juice and salt and apply this preparation once a week when brushing. Ginger acts as a powerful antioxidant, thus relieving the pain felt in the teeth and gum, especially in cases of inflammation. It is not trivial to add salt to this natural recipe. Indeed, gargling with salt water is the most common method to avoid toothaches and gum infections by tightening living tissue. These are astringent qualities that are unique to salt. Dr. Oz emphasizes the therapeutic qualities of lemon juice when used in dental care. However, despite its whitening properties, it is important to use it in small doses because it could have an abrasive effect on your teeth. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend.